Your kidneys filter over 50 gallons of blood every single day. But here's the scary part: diabetes and high blood pressure are the leading causes of kidney failure, and when kidneys fail, dialysis takes over your life. But don't worry, today, I'll show you 6 delicious, 3-ingredient drinks that can naturally cleanse and protect your kidneys. Let's dive in. Who should care most about kidney health? 1. If kidney disease runs in your family. 2. If you have diabetes or high blood pressure. 3. If you're a senior and want to stay healthy. 4. Or simply health conscious and love natural prevention. If that's you or someone you love, these drinks are for you. Alright, time for the fun part. Let's make these drinks, each one simple, powerful, and tasty. Drink 1: lemon, cucumber, and mint water. Lemon helps cleanse, cucumber hydrates, and mint soothes inflammation. Just slice half a cucumber, squeeze half a lemon, add a few mint leaves to water, and enjoy. Drink 2: watermelon, lime, and basil cooler. Watermelon gently flushes toxins, lime boosts vitamin C, and basil helps balance kidney stress. Blend 1 cup watermelon, juice of a lime, and a few basil leaves. Refreshing, hydrating, and delicious. Drink 3: ginger, carrot, and apple juice. Ginger fights inflammation, carrot helps blood pressure, and apple adds antioxidants. Blend 1 carrot, 1 apple, and a small slice of ginger with water. Perfect morning energizer. Drink 4: pineapple, celery, and lemon juice. Pineapple reduces kidney stress, celery lowers blood pressure, and lemon flushes uric acid. Blend 1 cup pineapple, 1 celery stalk, and juice of half a lemon. Sweet and tangy. Drink 5: beetroot, orange, and ginger shot. Beetroot improves blood flow, orange boosts vitamin C, and ginger keeps inflammation low. Blend half a beetroot, juice of 1 orange, and a slice of ginger. Take it as a shot, it's powerful stuff. Drink 6: parsley, lemon, and honey tea. Parsley gently detoxes, lemon enhances cleansing, and honey adds a soothing touch. Boil a handful of parsley, strain, add lemon juice, and a spoon of honey. A warm evening detox. Now, these drinks work best when paired with healthy habits. Stay hydrated, cut back on salt and junk food, keep blood sugar and blood pressure under control, exercise daily, and avoid overusing painkillers. Your kidneys will thank you. So, which drink are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and help more people learn how to protect their kidneys naturally. These drinks support kidney health but do not replace medical treatment. Always consult your doctor if you have kidney disease or are on dialysis.